Fucking what? Who's up there?
I don't know. Who are you?
Fucking hell, there's someone on top of the...
What's going on?
Is that Boxhead?
No, it's fucking... It's Jimbo. This is me fucking truck, mate. I don't know what you're fucking doing.
Fuck me dead. That's unreal, man.
Fucking cold.
Yeah.
Jimbo, it's fucking cold up here, you cunt.
Are you coming back to the pub?
No, I'm running away with you. We're going to be comedians together, eh?
Right, okay.
I'm going to do penis jokes, and you do vagina jokes.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it's just fucking cold, eh?
So, fucking come on in.
Stop hitting the brakes, I'll fall off you, cunt.
Fucking, yeah.
I think there was some other cunts on here, but they fell off, eh?
Boxhead, you are the fucking maddest cunt I've ever met.
No, we're running away, we're joining the circus.
Right, okay. You're on top of the fucking car.
What?
You're on fucking the top of the fucking truck.
I don't know. Hey, Damo was on the back, but I think he fell off, eh?
Did he?
I don't know.
How far back?
I didn't hear him screaming or nothing, so he mustn't have. Hey, you got any fucking grog in here?
No.
Give me that fucking...
Wait, I fucking heard a noise. I thought, what the fuck's that? Was there someone else on the truck?
There was another two cunts. I'll have a look, eh?
Fuck me dead.
Yeah, they must have fell off.
Well, we better go back and fucking find them.
Nah, fucking... Wait.
What?
Let's do a tour to Cooper Petey. See? I'm out of fucking range.
Just
You
show us
can't
your
find
face.
me.
Yeah. Yeah, right, okay. So,
Yeah, we're running away. We'll do a tour of Cooper Petey.
wait, are you saying two cunts were on the truck with you?
Yeah, there's
Nah.
other two cunts. But they weren't on the roof, they only standing on the back of the fucking pussy.
Oh, right, when I came out, yeah,
And
right.
they took the toll on them, I guess. They bounced off.
How far back? When I got out of the paddock? Or on the road?
On the road, I think. This thing doesn't go very far.
Nah.
But, so we're going to Cooper Petey.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, let's fucking go. Because Jimbo,
Yeah.
your missus and kids don't like me anyway.
Mate, you guys fucking get on well, man.
No.
I cannot believe I'm driving down the fucking road and I start hear a banging on the fucking roof and you're on the fucking roof.
What the fuck is this? Did you do a shit on your seat?
Mate, I don't know. Let's go back and find the other guys.
No. Let's go to Cooper Petey. I heard that did him good, eh?
So you seriously just want to hit the road, Boxhead?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
What, is life just not giving you enough challenges?
No, I just think it'd be funny. Like, fucking 2 years later, Nicky would be like, yeah, we're having a party at home.
Yeah.
Next thing, I don't know where the fuck Boxhead is.
Yeah.
Found him in Cooper Petey, grey beard in just 2 years' time.
And she's
Fucking
just
long
going,
hair.
nah, that's Boxhead, he does shit like that.
Jokes, you know?
So no one fell off the back of the truck, eh?
There was another two cunts on there.
And they fell off the fucking truck.
I don't know, but I didn't hear anyone yell, so I don't know.
Right, okay, I think we better go back.
This truck stinks,
We better go back and
bro.
fucking check.
You need to wash your dick, mate.
Fucking hell, man. So you cunts were just on the fucking truck.
What?
I drove about 2 kilometres down the road after the party, and I heard a fucking noise, and then I heard someone talking to me. I thought, fuck, man,
Yeah,
I'm starting to believe in ghosts.
I was running away with the circus, Jimbo.
Yeah, right. Well, this is
Because you'd let me fuck Gary while we were on tour, wouldn't you?
this is a fucking circus, all right. So, I can see. I don't know whether you're joking or not, but you're saying.
There was another few people on that truck. Wait, do you want me to show you how we Sancoon scam?
What's that?
Sancoon scam.
Yeah.
The Arabs do it on YouTube. You've got to get a bit of speed up, I'll show you.
Oh, not on this road.
Yeah.
No.
No, we've done it on the branch, and that's all dirt.
Wait, I've just got to fucking go back and see if someone's fell off the fucking truck.
I don't think they did.
Nah.
Because they would have screamed, I don't know.
But were they on the truck as we got out of the property?
Yeah, well, they were on there, and then I thought I'd jump on because everyone else is doing it.
Yeah.
And then there was no cunt there.
I didn't even fucking hear you.
Check this out. Go faster, Jimbo, I'll show you.
What the fuck are you doing? You're stepping out the window and what?
See that?
What, you're surfing on your shoes?
No, they're sandcombers.
Oh, right, okay.
Shoes, you know, Surfy Joe's.
Yeah, yeah.
If you try to do it in Havaianas or some metro fucking holes, it wouldn't work out too well for you. You know?
All right, you got to have special shoes to do that.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Okay. I'm hoping we don't see two fucking bodies on the road, but...
That's all good.
No.
Stress.
Is this your place here?
No, keep going. My place starts at the next drive, but we're going to go over the bridge first.
So you're saying they're on the road? We're on the road?
I don't know where they dropped it. Last place I saw it was at my mailbox. So this is where my place starts going.
Oh, that's there, yeah, right.
Is that fun?
Mate, what you just did then is probably the most freakiest thing I've ever fucking seen. Just driving along and you're fucking on top of the fucking roof after I left the party.
I've done worse.
A few kilometres down the road and you're just casually having a fucking beer up there.
Well, I couldn't get comfy because you got them fucking racks and there's nothing to sit on in between.
Where are you up here?
Yeah, sitting there.
Alright. Oh, well, I'm fucking glad you got your back in one piece, but fucking Boxhead, that was unreal, man.
I should have legged you home. It would have been funnier.
That is just fucking weird.
Hey,
Boxhead, you people like you confirmed to me that, fucking, you know, look, life's fun, man.
Alright. Hey, I might be like a soccer dad and all that and fucking own business and all this shit, but I still like having fun, you know?
Mate, you know.
There's no point being a straight cunt, because that's boring as fuck.
It is.
Imagine being a straight cunt.
And it just leads to, fucking hell, man, that was unreal. Thanks, Boxhead.
I should give you my number and give us a call next time you're out.
Yeah, I will.
Because I got a heap of...
Boxhead, that was seriously the fucking weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
0488.
Yep.
If you're ever out this way, give me a call.
Yeah, I will.
I know where the other boys are. Alright, I'll see you later.
Yeah, hopefully they're alright.
Mate, I got a wet ass from your fucking roof, eh?
Yeah, I bet.
But I'm like a plus size stunt man.
Nicky, you're fucking... I'm driving down the road, 2 kilometres down the road, and I hear this fucking voice on the fucking roof. Just stand over there in the light, guys. I hear this fucking voice on the roof, and it's your man, Boxhead, over there, talking to me up there.
So he climbed up here?
Yeah. And you reckon there was 2 others on there, and they're fucking falling off somewhere?
Damo on that?
I don't know.
Because they were on the back. Damo and some other cunt.
They're on the back.
Because they were on the way to Coopedie together, and then Jimbo...
But no, but Boxhead, seriously...
Yeah,
we're going together, and
out there.
then Jimbo's like, no, you gotta go home to Nicky because you're a pussy, like that.
Yeah, I took him back, but the other guys alright? I mean, no, they weren't really up there, were they? They were on the fucking roof when I left, and
no, they were on the back.
What, on the top or the back?
No, the back.
Yeah, but how far did they get off?
I don't know. As they come back down there?
How far did you get before you...
Are they back at the party?
I don't know.
Do you know who they were?
Yeah, it was Damo and come up with you.
Let's just go and find out if they're there.
You sure? You're stressing out, Jimbo.
Oh.
I'm starting to think you're a bit of a square, mate.
Oh my fucking god. Are they... Guys. Fucking hell, were you on the back of the truck?
Come back?
Are you on the back of the truck?
No, where is he? There he is! He's back!
Can you fucking believe that? No shit. I'm driving down the road, right, about 3 kilometres down, and I hear a fucking voice talking to me. I thought it was fucking Gary, right? And then I'd look up, I'd stick my head out, and he's just got his fucking legs over the edge having a casual beer talking to me from me fucking roof. And he said there was 2 other guys on there, but they fucking fell off. Who were they?
That was me.
Oh, right, okay, so,
we fell off at the right time. Wait, Boxhead, I'll catch ya.
happy ending.
Fell off a Stroud.
Well, guys, you guys are the fucking maddest cunts I've ever met.